Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change audio language in Sword of Convallaria. Click on this icon, then click on the settings. Now go to audio, and here is performance and system audio, and you can set it to Japanese, Chinese or Korean. When you choose one, it will download the package, so you need to confirm and wait a moment for the voice pack to be downloaded. And now it's downloaded, you can change it and then click here to exit settings and click here to go back. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.